Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeleine. I'm a digital and affiliate marketer, and I help ordinary people like myself and you to make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about 25 legit ways to make money online fast. But first things first, how do you actually make money online? There are so many ways, but the key is to get started with something that is quick and easy. One of the fastest ways to make money online is by leveraging affiliate marketing or doing digital marketing by reselling products or courses with master resale rights, which I will talk about more in this video. But before we dive into it, let's explore some options. How to make money fast. If you're in a rush, look into something like freelancing gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These let you offer your skills such as writing, graphic design, or even social media management, and you can get paid quickly. Second one, make money online quick. Aside from freelancing, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products from companies like Amazon or through digital marketing programs like the one I recommend. Now, how are we going to make money online from home? Working from home is one of the biggest perks in the digital age. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or looking for some extra income, these methods works wonders. Make money online easy. Look into platforms like Etsy, where you can sell your handmade crafts or take surveys online to get paid instantly. Start with affiliate marketing by promoting products that align with your interest. Once you sign up for an affiliate program, all you have to do is share your unique link and earn commission. You can set up a blog or a YouTube channel like I am doing with a good content strategy. You'll attract an audience that start earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. How to make money online for free. Now, if you're strapped for cash and don't want to invest upfront, no worries. There are plenty of free ways to make money online. Create content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. All you need is your phone and an idea. Once you build an audience, you can start monetizing with ads, affiliate marketing, and even sponsorship deals. Sign up for Amazon affiliate program where you can promote any product on a platform and get paid when someone makes a purchase through your link. Start free with tools like Canva to create digital products like printables, ebooks, or templates, or even digital wall art. How to make money online for teens. Teens can start with tasks like social media management or content creation for small businesses. Many companies love hiring teens to create TikToks on Instagram for them. Download apps like Swagbucks where you can earn money by completing simple tasks such as watching videos, taking surveys, or shopping online. How to make money online instantly and legit. With platforms like PayPal and Cash App, you can offer services like graphic design, virtual assistants, or even sell products and get paid the same day. Stick to platforms that are well-known and reputable like affiliate marketing networks, Etsy, or Amazon. Avoid schemes that seem too good to be true. How can you make money on YouTube and with games? Start a YouTube channel based on something you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, vlogging, or educational content. Once you hit the required subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize your content. Do you believe it? Some gamers make money by streaming their GTA 5 gameplay on Twitch or YouTube, getting paid through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Sounds like a fun way. Easiest and fastest way to make money online. Affiliate marketing is hands down one of the best ways to start zero upfront investment. You make money today by promoting products that solves other people's problems. If you want to get started with no skills required, try taking surveys, watching videos, or testing websites on platforms like Swagbucks or user testing. Always make sure to do your research on the platform you're using. Legit ways to make money online include freelancing, affiliate marketing, YouTube content creation, and selling on Amazon or Etsy. You can purchase done-for-you products, ebooks, courses, guides that you can sell for 100% profit. So you do not even have to create a product yourself. And there you have it. 25 ways to make money online. Whether you want to do it fast, free, from home, or even as a teenager. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and entrepreneurship. And if you're ready to start making money online today, check out the links in my description to some of my favorite programs. Plus, I have a freebie for you. Let's make 2024 the year you achieve your financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Magic, magic we can share.